we always think of Veerappan's episode because he was so close that time. And apart from that, even he had a surgery, rotatory cuff. The same doctor did for me also. So when I came to meet him about 5-6 years back, so he was telling how is your hand now, because even I had the same surgery with the same doctor. That one I remember always. But otherwise also, they used to come to the house. He used to go to their house. That family relationship was very good with them.
Sir, he was a role model for every Kannadiga, particularly at your generation. He was at the peak of his politics. He shaped Bangalore. How do you see this loss and how will you remember?
No, my father used to say always, because I am perfect, I think a perfect politician, what you can make the state look bigger with other statesmen, I think S.M. Krishna is the only one person.
So many people who paid their condolences today say that he was someone who barely had any enemies at all. He was someone who was loved by all. Would you have something to say on that?
No, but see, looking at his face, nobody can have that enmity with him at all, because always smiling, and even look at his even the attire he wears always. No, that style is there with him, that aura is there. So S.M. Krishna is not only meant for the politicals; his aura is very good. It's inspiring for everybody.
Can you share some of your individual moments with him? The time that audience spoke
No, not much, but we used to meet him whenever we used to meet him.
ಅಪಹರಣ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಆತಂಕ ಮೂಡಿದ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆಗಿದ್ದ ವಿಷಯ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ನೆನಪು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ S.M. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾವನವರು ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಮರುಜೀವ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು S.M. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆತಂಕಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿ
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಾರಿ,
ಇದಿಷ್ಟು
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
ರವಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅದನ್ನು
No, I think S.M. Krishna was a great leader and was very close to our family, especially during Veerappan's kidnap, when we kidnapped my father. So he was very close and he was always with the family. And I think he brought happiness to the family again was because of S.M. Krishna. ಶಿವಣ್ಣ
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯಾರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರ ಬಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.